Guys, in today's video we will be learning how to make a transparent drawer. Means, see, not transparent drawer, in fact the bottom, in fact the status bar is transparent and the drawer will be behind the status bar. Okay, we have all seen the normal drawer. So we will first see the normal drawer, then we will do this. Okay, for doing this I have added a linear one, no vertical, horizon, vertical only. Okay, whose height and width as match parent, and I have not given any padding, change to the padding, and given its gravity as central horizontal, center vertical. Okay, then there I have added one button, drawer under status bar. Okay, drawer under status bar whose width and height as wrap content, and we have given its text as drawer under status bar. Okay, and given text size as 12. In this view I have done added the drawer section. Okay, you have to add this one at least. And in drawer main I have not added anything. Okay, now here I have added a more block called lips. This more block is going and going and going. It's too big more block. Okay, I'll give you the code at least, because it's too big more block. It's a never ending node block. You can see this. You cannot at least see and type from the video. So I will be giving you the code. Don't worry about it. I am just showing you the high length of the code. Let's see till where it goes in it. We ended here. You can see the length of the mode block here. It's too big. Here I have added this mode block lips, and in the view one button 1, this one is button 1, so this one is button 4, this one is button 1, I'm sorry, this one is button this one is button 4. So on button 4 we have added this code. Okay, see this code, and remember this one is your activity name. You can change it according to your wish. Okay, and make sure your library app comparent design is on, switched on. Okay, and nothing more components and all is there. Okay, now let's see what happens when we run this. Okay, when we run this, it shows something like this. We all know that this is the normal drawer, right? Here is nothing is like this. Is here the transparent? It's transparent, and the color, your wish color, the notification bar or status bar, you would say. The status drawer starts from below of the status bar. Okay, now when we click this drawer under status bar, see the view area just got a bit shifted up, and you can see when we click on this, see the status bar is above, it's floating above the drawer. I hope you all have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and do check the description box because I have put the codes there. Thank you.